Hey, a quick note about live help. We're going to start the group live help again coming up on Saturday morning, 10 a.m. It's in Zoom. You need to look at the description box below, follow that link, and we'll get you into the Zoom chat. It's a video chat. What's really great about this chat is that you can learn from watching other people. As I help another person with that problem, you're going to probably see that similar problem in your own yard. So you learn from all of the people, and it's a great video chat. We did this for 4 or 5 weeks back when the pandemic started and everybody was kind of locked down. We're slowing down enough that I can do this on Saturday morning. Saturday morning, 10 a.m. Tune in.